Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL from the European distribution. First, quick overview of the box. On the right side and the left side we can find name of the device, but right here at the top we can actually find information about the recommended charger and information that the charger is not inside. And on the back we can find some base information about the storage, color, size of the screen and connection and some other description in different languages. So to open this device we have to actually remove these seals. There we go. The first one and the second one. And right now we will be able to actually slide it into the one of the side, just like this. Okay, and what you can find here, of course, we've got our phone, but first we are going to check this accessories. So here you can find the double USB-C cable. Right here we'll probably have some kind of the user manual, safety guide. Okay, it actually doesn't come out of the box. Okay, honestly, I'm not sure how I can take it off to don't break this. Okay, a little bit force and here we are. So what you can find here, some kind of the base information. By the way, right here there's the SIM tool, and here, as I said before, some kind of the base instruction safety guide. Nothing interesting for you guys. Of course, what do you want to see? The phone itself, so we have to remove this foil that is actually on the phone. There we go, and now we can take it off. It looks beautiful, definitely. It feels like an iPhone 15 Pro Max with those edges. The frame is full metallic. At the top we can find a microphone. On the right side we've got the volume buttons, the power button. At the bottom we can find SIM tray, USB-C port, microphone, another speaker, and there's also the stereo speakers because another one is right here. Of course, at the middle we've got this selfie camera. There is no foil on the screen, so you will have to apply some kind of the, I don't know, tempered glass or stuff like this. As you can see, this camera bumper goes definitely above this back cover, so there's like chance that you will probably scratch your camera when you put it on the flat surface. So be sure that you also apply something on the camera. I'm gonna show you how it looks in the Pixel 8a. So the camera bumper is smaller definitely, but still these camera lenses are right here and we can also scratch them. So that's actually not a good move from the Google. It will be good if this camera bumper goes a little bit above the cameras. So we have to put some cases right here. Of course, there's the I believe this is the temperature sensor, and here we've got the flashlight, of course. So now if we want to turn it on this device, we have to click and hold the power button, and until we feel vibration and got the Google logo on the screen, we can release. And yeah, that's basically it. This is actually the quick unboxing and small overview of the device design of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL from European distribution. If you like it, please leave a comments below and maybe subscribe to my channel. And if you are looking for some tutorials about this device, you will find a lot of them on my channel, so maybe see you in the next one.